from the grocery store. Let me show you guys what I got. My goal this week is to just incorporate more whole foods into my diet, and I went to Whole Foods. Love that for me. We got white potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, raspberries for the raspberry queen. Not only does Kennedy love Pop-Tarts, Grayson does too now. You want Pop-Tart? Okay. So we get another box of those. Okay. Honey Crisp apples because Kennedy loves them. Oranges. Some tomatoes. Limes. Avocados because we literally go through avocados like water. Broccoli. And some basil. Oh, what was the glass in there? The kids love these. Some bread because we've been doing French toast like every morning. We got 0 eggs because there was not a single egg in the entire grocery store, but I digress. Haven't had these in a while. They had the cookies and cream flavor, not in the snack aisle. These were actually where the rotisserie chickens are. It was like on top of them, and I was like, I'm not questioning it. Some vinegar, and then these were actually at the register. I think these are just mini versions of those wafer cookies that we grew up eating. And it was the blueberry yogurt flavor. I think it's a spring flavor, but the kids will love these. Some more bread flour because we are officially back to sourdough. So some bread flour. Last time I went to Whole Foods, I got their regular chocolate chip cookies. And a bunch of y'all were saying to try the brown butter. So, don't mind if I do. They're not that fresh, I'm gonna be honest. Some pasta, some rice, some granola bars. Kids love these. Honestly, I always get crushed tomatoes anytime I go to any grocery store because I use so much of them. So I just always get one, picturing that I need to replenish whatever I'm using. Okay, we've got just a whole bunch of chicken. Honestly, it's just going in the fridge. The sweet potatoes, I got a few different kinds because I wanted to get these ones, but then the kids started grabbing them, and at one point Grayson was hugging an onion, and I was like, I need to get out of here. So then I grabbed this, which these don't look as good, but just a lot of sweet potatoes, Also, did I mention that I cannot find my chest carrier? So I put Grayson in the cart for the first time, and Kennedy was walking around with me. It was a whole adventure, honestly. Bananas that Kennedy stepped on. Some milk, some yogurt. I grabbed some buttermilk because I couldn't look at my grocery list because Grayson got my phone and he actually locked it, and I had to wait like 5 minutes to get back in. So what was actually on my list was heavy cream, but from my mental list, I thought that it was buttermilk, so we got buttermilk. Last but not least, we got some Kerrygold, and that is all the groceries for the week.
Where's Grayson? Where's Grayson?
I will talk to you guys later. Happy Monday. Bye.